Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and you are watching Zenarray Analytics. So today in this short tutorial, we are going to see how we can switch a chart type in Tableau Desktop. For instance, if I select a chart type as a bar chart, I can see a bar chart. If I select a line chart, I can see a line chart. And if I select a map, I can see a map. Isn't it interesting? So let's build this visualization in Tableau Desktop. To start with, let's create a blank sheet and name it a bar chart, since our first chart type will be a bar chart. Drag the subcategory to the row section and let's drag the sales here, and from show me select this bar chart. This will convert it from number format to the bar chart. Let's make it to the entire view and sort it into the descending order. Now drag the sales to the color, also to the label. Right now format the sales number in the currency of thousands and dollars. So this is our first visual, which is a bar chart. Just hide this card since we do not need it. The second visual will be our line chart. Let's rename the sheet to the line chart. So in the line chart, we want to see the sales quarter wise. So just drag the order date to the column and select here quarter, and sales to the drag sales to the rows, which will show us the quarter wise sales. Drag the sales to the labels, also to the colors to see the divergence. Let's now format the sales number into 1000. And since we do not need the y-axis now, just uncheck the show header and hide this card from here. So this is our line chart. The third and the final chart will be our map. Rename the sheet to map. So to build the map, drag the country to detail, drag the state also to detail, and drag the sales to the color section. Now just label the states, also give the label of the sales on each state, make it small. Now say format the number format of sales to 1000. Okay, and again hide this card. So this is a map. So this way all the three charts are now ready. Now to change them dynamically, let's create a parameter. Give the name to this parameter, select a chart type, change the data type to string, select list. Our first chart type is a bar chart, second is a line chart, and the third one is a map. Now to link this parameter with our three charts, we have to create a calculated field, a simple calculated field, which is named as selected chart type, and drag this parameter to this field. Now go to the bar chart, click on this small arrow show parameter, and drag the selected chart type calculated field to the filter section. Select the bar chart box, click apply and OK. Similarly, go to the line chart, click on the small arrow, click on show parameter, change it to line chart, drag the selected chart type calculated field to the filters, select the line chart box, click apply, click OK, and repeat the same step for the map. Show parameter, select map, selected chart type, click map, apply, OK. Now let's create a dashboard. Let's rename it as chart type and maximize the space of the dashboard to automatic. From the objects section, just drag the horizontal object on our worksheet. Now drag the bar chart, make sure it is selected as the entire view. Now why we are not seeing a bar chart over here? Because the parameter selected is a map. If we select a bar chart from here, we can see the bar chart. Now we have to drag the line chart to this horizontal object. We are not seeing a line chart here because we have selected a bar chart in our parameter. If we select a line chart in our parameter, we can see the line chart. And the same way we have to drag map. Now we can see by selecting a parameter as map, we can see the map. Make sure. Now the next step is just hide the titles of each visual. By hiding it, we can see a single visual at a time on our dashboard. Now, selecting a bar chart, we can see a bar chart. Selecting a line chart, we can see a line chart. Selecting a map, we can see the map. Let's format our dashboard a little bit. Give a name to our dashboard page. Select a chart type. Increase the font size to 15 to make it a heading and keep it a bold. And make it a little bit smaller. Change it to the float section so we can keep it as a float, and remove this box from the dashboard. Now in a full screen mode, bar chart, line chart and a map.